Hey you guys, so today is May 17th. I look like crap. It is super cold out, it's super windy outside, but I filmed this video yesterday and I accidentally deleted it. I know, it's crazy. But I'm gonna give you guys just a kind of little go through my basement. We've been kind of slacking at doing stuff in the basement just because it's so cold down here. You know, when I had a bunch of stuff down here in the past, it was actually pretty decently warm. But now since we hardly have anything, you know, it's cold. But once the weather starts warming up, I want to open the windows up, get the door open, you know, get some air through here. But as of right now, we're just, you know, kind of just living it day by day. But we've been bringing stuff down. I've been trying to put things away. I haven't even gone through stuff to get rid of stuff. I keep saying I want to, but I just need to have a day, but it's really hard when I have kids. I prefer to do it when Charlotte's taking a nap, but then when she's taking a nap, I want to get stuff done that I can't usually do. I just want some me time. And then Ben comes down here, and then he digs out stuff. So it's really hard to get things done. She's looking at the cat. It's really hard to get things done with my babies. So, but let me just kind of give you guys a heads up. It hasn't changed much since the April video, but, you know, I'm just kind of giving you guys a little turnaround. Yeah, she's got some messed up hair like I do because it's a crazy day outside. Crazy wind. So, this is my recording area. This stuff's got to go. This stuff has got to go. I got to put it away, but there's some totes that I want to kind of organize, and I need to do this. I just keep slacking. Charlotte keeps grabbing my camera. And then I put some of my craft stuff. I kind of want to get like a little shelf. I don't know why this is not focusing. Okay, sorry you guys. My camera, I'm still learning how to figure it out. But this area I need to really clean up, but I've been putting, you know, my craft stuff, but I kind of want to get like a little shelf or maybe like a bench or something to put here so I can kind of craft items. I might even have to bring my desk out. If I need to bring my desk out and have more of a craft area, I will totally do that. But my craft desk area has been actually pretty clean. I just did a video and I need to put my stuff away. But I've been trying to really keep it, you know, clean and everything. So since I just did my video, I got to put these away in my stock pile. So I just put them right where they're supposed to go. These all have a spot also, so I got to put those away. We got food and makeup and just all this stuff goes in its spots. Some of the stuff I do have to, you know, I got to bring these upstairs or put them in a certain spot. But yeah, it's getting there. I still need to make labels, but I will do that later on when we get up. When the thing is, I want to basically get rid of everything in my stockpile and start fresh, but we don't know if that's going to happen this year. So kind of disappointing news. But the toys have been doing very good. I spent like one whole weekend just organizing the toys where I basically organized everything. And since then, the toys have not been a problem. You know, if he digs them out, he puts them right back where they go. So I've been really trying to keep them organized. I'm still organizing them. A lot of these drawers are empty, but I will get to them. I just want to do it when I have no kids. Like whenever this lockdown happens, my in-laws can take them for like a weekend. Charlotte's not a big deal, but like Ben, I just want to, you know, have him go away for a couple days. They said they'd take him, but it's like, okay, when? But yeah, so we've been, you know, really keeping at it. I gotta get labels made for this, but the gray drawers are actually supposed to be down here, and the blue drawers go up in Ben's room. So I think maybe next weekend, if we have no plans and the weather's crappy, I wish today if I didn't go couponing, I would have probably done more stuff. But that whole thing is just from all the rain we've gotten today. We have to cut this rug up and throw it away, but that's, yeah. Couple things here and there. I've been trying to pick up and throw things away. I've been throwing stuff away like crazy, especially puzzle pieces. I just don't care anymore. I just don't care. But there's some really good puzzle pieces that I don't want to get rid of. But I think after I film this, I'm gonna make an Easter tote. I'm going to make a birthday tote, which I started, and then I'm gonna make a Valentine's Day tote and maybe a 4th of July tote. Yeah, that's what I want to do. That's what I really want to do, is get all the totes ready. This is kind of where, like, my binders are going, and then this is going to be some of my craft stuff, but I want to really organize it, so I'm still trying to figure out how I want to organize it. I just don't know yet. I'm not in a huge hurry because I just want to keep this place clean. This area has been, you know, okay. We've been watching movies down here. I got a vacuum, but, you know, it's been pretty decent. I mean, we've been really kind of keeping this area really cleaned up. This is my birthday tote. Charlotte just had her birthday, so I want to get some more birthday stuff put in here. And then my storage room, I have not touched, you guys. Like, it's just, it is a mess. But the thing is, the stuff that's behind these boxes are like garbage, and I need to throw a lot of this stuff away. But that's the point. I'm just so stressed out from all this that I need to get rid of it, but I just can't because I just don't have like the motivation to do it. And I should just come down here once a week and be like, okay, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that, get rid of that. That's what I should do. And I'm just like looking at stuff and I'm like, why do I have this? Like, why do I have this? Why? So I think that's what I'm gonna do. Just kind of get rid of some stuff. I mean, we got Rhodey here, which is fine. It's a very expensive toy. We did not pay for it. A friend of ours paid for it. It's expensive. So I'm like, Charlotte, I don't need it for Charlotte. Technically, I could just get rid of it. Maybe. But, you know, I got a pumpkin back there that I've got. I think I should just get rid of the pumpkins. I got some Easter baskets. I just don't care about them. I kind of want the kids to have the same kind of Easter baskets. Graham wanted me to keep these hooks. I think I'm going to get rid of them. I have an air pop popper. I think I should just get rid of it. Like, I just don't need it. I don't need it. I gotta empty my cat's litter box. But here is kind of where my other stockpile is. I've been trying to really organize this spot. This is stuff that I personally want to clean, but there's some stuff that I don't do and do not need. But like these totes, these are full of stuff that I should just go through. And then basically what I can do is get rid of this spot and then put the birthday tote here because it's easy accessible. Just start putting easy stuff. I just need to do it. I just need to do it. But that's my motivation. That's just my motivation for now. And like this whole box right here is just full of Kleenexes. That's what I'm going to do. I'm going to turn that wall and just stack it up with Kleenex boxes. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Or I have this top right here that I put some personal care stuff on there too. I could just stack it all the way to the top with some Kleenex boxes and then we can get rid of a box. So I'm learning. Yeah, with this whole like lockdown, you guys, I've been getting rid of like all my Perel. I still have like 3 bottles left, so we got that going on. Plus we have them all spread out through the house. We have them in our vehicles. Oh, I just found another one. Oh, I found 2 more. Would you look at that? Would you look at that? Gotta put it right in its spot. Okay. And then I have, this is all the Lysol wipes that I have. I've been giving them away to people who need them, and I'm hoarding the rest. But this is my napkins, diapers. I gotta put those away. I should put those back upstairs where Charlotte's room is, and I could put Kleenex boxes up here. So there's a lot of stuff. The thing I really want to get rid of or move is I want to get rid of majority of this crap. This is stuff that we use, but so much stuff to do, and I'm just overwhelmed. That's what my main problem is. But that's what I'm going to share with you guys today. I am going to probably do an updated video after this. But May's just kind of be, you know, my slack week. And then once June hits, I really want to get this down. So I'm going to kind of spend like 5 minutes down here. I'm going to see what I can do in like 5 minutes. Because the kids are upstairs chilling. I'm going to make a Goodwill box. I'm going to go get an empty box upstairs and I'm going to fill it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Hey you guys, so it is actually May 30th. As you guys know, tomorrow is actually the last day of May, but I did not want to do a bunch of videos on one day. So I decided I'm going to do it early, and I'm going to share with you guys what I have been working on since the last time. Like I said, I haven't been doing very much in the basement just because of everything going on. Whoa, look at that, Miss Honey. Woo, look at you. Can you bouncy? Say bouncy, 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 bouncy. Yes! So like I said, a lot of stuff I haven't been doing lately. It's just because of everything going on. Charlotte's finally, you know, not becoming so high maintenance. My patio door was open. That's awesome. So I'm just gonna kind of share with you guys what I'm looking at. Graham and I discussed, we are gonna have like a rummage sale coming up soon. Like right now is not a good time to have it, but I want to get rid of a bunch of stuff and I need to get rid of that so I can have room to go through other stuff. So we might do that in like 2 weeks. But let me share with you guys what I've done. This place has become a mess. Now, before you judge me, I am getting a bunch of stuff done, okay? So here is the totes that I'm working with right now. Like, I have my birthday tote, I have the Valentine's Day tote. Those are stuff that I'm actually going to sell. I need to, you know, post it on Facebook to sell. I'm starting a ribbon and another ribbon tote, and I will be getting rid of half of the ribbon that I have. This tote right here is all the school supplies, which I do have another one, and this is school supplies too, so I'm actually going to combine these. This is my Easter one, which I'm still going to work out. I put all the presents, toys, gifts, all in this thing. And we have a friend whose birthday is next week, so I got to grab some of that stuff and make her a little gift bag. I'm starting to just, this stuff I've been going through and figuring that stuff out. But this stuff right here, I'm going to slowly start getting everything organized. This is going to be kind of my craft area. I need to clear off some of this stuff too, but I am getting there. It just takes a little bit of time, but I'm slowly trying to figure out what I want to do. But I want to make this look nice in the near future. So yes, I got to put some more movies on top of the shelf because I got some piles, so I got to get rid of some of the Funko Pops and put the movies there. I've been, you know, just kind of keeping everything straight here. I got to clear a bunch of this stuff up, but we have been watching movies down here. Charlotte, don't have that. No, honey. No, baby. No, baby. Ben was playing with this marble run down here, and he didn't pick up his marbles, so I got to pick those up. But this is still the kids' area. I've been doing really good at keeping the toys organized. I still have a little bit more stuff to organize, but we are doing good. He came down here the other day and wanted to pick up, or he wanted to come help play with me while I was down here. And I said, that's fine. And then he's like, can I leave it out? And then he actually did pick it up. So this will still be the kids' play area. I'm not done with that. I'm slowly organizing this area. I'm still making, you know, piles of stuff I gotta do and get rid of. I'm working on it. So my craft area is slowly, you know, it's still a little organized. I'm not done yet. I still have a lot of stuff to do, but you know what? I'm slowly getting at it. So we got that going on. There is another tote. I think this is, there's stuff that's in there, shouldn't be in there, but there is some stuff that I want to get rid of that's in there. This is stockpile stuff. There's like no room. Like I need to start fresh with my whole stockpile area. So that's what I want to do is help out a ton of people, you know, do that. There's a box that I can put some more stuff in there. We got that going on. More stockpile stuff. These are all baggies. I got a spot for all those. And then here's just more of my craft area, which I am still working on. So it might not look like much, but I am getting, you know, things done. I made it, if you guys watch my vlogs, I have made it a priority to kind of spend down here at least 3 days a week is what I want to do. If it's between, you know, 10 minutes to an hour, that is perfectly fine. My mother's coming down in 2 weeks, so when she comes down, I plan on either she can come down here and help me, which she can do, or she'll just watch the kids and I can get a bunch of stuff done. But I want to at least donate 3 to 4 boxes of stuff, and I want to have some of that stuff already on Marketplace to sell. So slowly getting there. But Graham's like, you're making a mess in the living room, and I says yes, but in order for me to get this stuff picked up, I have to go through here and get rid of a bunch of stuff, because the stuff that's behind the piles is stuff we haven't touched in years, you guys, in years. So I kind of went through this. I kind of cleared a bunch of stuff off of here. I'm still not done, but you know, it's a start. That's how far we got. I've been clearing off some other stuff. Like, I got stuff back here that I just need to get rid of. That's what I'm gonna do. So, slowly but surely getting that done. Some of these totes, like, are practically almost empty. So, I'm getting rid of stuff. I am truly getting rid of stuff. It just takes little bit by little bit. I've been also working, I've been working on my stockpile organization also. This stuff, we've been kind of just putting stuff here. But I'm still organizing it and getting it all to a T. A lot of this stuff is stuff that we're personally keeping. I got tons of Kleenex boxes. I got tons of Renews-Its, feminine care products. I got enough bags to last me a lifetime. But I'm pretty excited with that. And then like these totes, there's like hardly not that much stuff in them. So I could turn these. I mean, there's a whole spot right there that I could put totes. So I am getting there. I am getting there. This is more stuff that I need to get through and get rid of some stuff. So, my thing is blinking. Low salt. I need more water softener salt. So, yes! So that is what is going on with my basement, you guys. I am slowly getting there, but I am determined to get stuff done. Especially now since Charlotte keeps scheduled naps. I can get stuff done, and I just feel great about it. So that was my haul, or that was not my haul. That was just like kind of what I've been working on for my basement, you guys. I know I have a lot of stuff, and I'm not a hoarder. So I know I get a lot of people give me, actually no, I don't get a lot of crap. I just get like that one negative person who's like, you got a lot of stuff. Yes, I do. But if you guys saw what I used to do, I used to buy stuff all the time. And I've cut back drastically on buying stuff. I want to be organized so then I don't have to buy that stuff. And the toys was my biggest thing that I wanted to figure out, and I got it figured out. I have a closet right here. There's some more totes that I think actually have kitchen stuff in there. So I am working on it. It just takes me a little bit, you guys. But I'm hoping to have a big difference next month, because last month, between this month and last month, I'm like, I didn't do anything, but now I'm actually starting to do stuff and I actually have energy. So I am working on that. I will see you guys all next month at the end of June, and hopefully we have a better thing. With everything shut down and we can't do a lot of stuff this year, I'm okay with that, because then I can get some more stuff done. I'm not shopping. I'm just not doing a lot of stuff, which is a good thing. Thanks for watching, you guys, and I'll see you at the end of next month. See ya. Bye-bye.